Morning guys. Tumas ko sa cam kay mukanta ko para makita ko nyo. Para mo kayo iskam ko. Kung hindi akong kantahan ka, I love you by Celine Dion, my favorite idol. I must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much, but when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper anywhere, words that is all a sign, words only you would hear. If only you were mine, how wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should me